Hey friends, today is lesson 23, session 5, or the end of telling time. I told you it wouldn't be too bad, and we're on page 535. Number 1, read the digital clock. Below, draw the hands to show the time on the clock. So the digital clock says 12:30. So you know when it's at 30, it's going to be between 12 and 1 for the minute hand. And for 30, it's going to be at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's going to point all the way to the 6. And then if I extend this, it's almost to the 1 right there. Number 2, circle the clock that shows 11 o'clock. So I'm going to show you what 11 o'clock looks like. The hour hand is pointing at the 11. The minute hand is pointing at the 12. There's 11 o'clock. So the first clock shows 10:30. The second clock, so that can't be it. The second clock is matching mine, 11 o'clock. So it is the second clock. The third clock is pointing to 1 o'clock. So that's not right either. It is the second clock. Number 2, it is 8:30. Show the time on these clocks. Okay, so I already have 30 written in. So I'm going to keep that because it is now 8:30. Now I know with 30, my minute hand goes all the way down to the 6. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Half, I wrote it up here. I wrote half an hour is 30 minutes, which is the same as 30. So here I wrote 30 with letters, and I wrote it in numbers. These are the digits. 30, half an hour equals 30. 60 minutes equals an hour of time. So anyway, I have 8:30. So I have the 30, and then I know it is just past that 8 because it's working its way to the 9. If it was 8 o'clock, it would be here, right? Okay. Next page. These clocks show the same time. What time is it? Ooh, that's fun. So again, you can look at the digital clock and figure it out to help you solve the analog clock, or you can look at the analog clock and say, that's 9 o'clock. So you're going to write in, it is 9 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing to the 9. The minute hand is pointing to the 12, which we know means o'clock. And there you go. So circle the clock that shows 6:30. 30 is pointing down to the 6, and it is 6:30. But with 6:30, it's not perfectly both on the 6 like you would think, because the hour hand is moving closer to the 7. So 6:30 looks like that. The first clock is 6 o'clock, so that's not it. You can put a big X through that. The second clock is 5 still. It's at 5:30 because the hour hand is over here and it's not yet 6 o'clock. So that's 5:30. This is 6:30 because the minute hand is on 30 and the hour hand is between 6 and 7. And we know that the hour hand starts to move closer to the next number as that next hour approaches. So the one you're going to circle is the third clock. Number 6, it is 11:30. That means it is 30 minutes. We're going to write in 30 after 11. It is 11:30. Okay, now tomorrow or today, depending on when you are doing your math, you're going to take your test, and I know you're going to do awesome with this. All right, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.